In this video, you will learn how to play G on your alto saxophone, and we're getting started right now. Well, hi there, welcome to LearnSaxophone.com's YouTube channel. My name is Gregor Hillman, your friendly saxophone teacher, and in this video, you will learn how to play G on your alto saxophone. Now, the G note can actually be played in 2 octaves, so we're going to start off with low G and then the middle G. And towards the end, I'm also going to throw in something extra, so make sure to stick around for that, because I'm going to show you that it's actually possible to play an altissimo G as well. But I'm going to save that for later. First, you need to learn the basic fingerings for G. So let's get started. We're starting off with the low G, and in order to play this on your alto, you need to finger 3 notes in your left hand. It's going to be the B, the A, and the G key all together. So these are the 3 main keys that you have on the front of your alto saxophone. Now, just as a quick note, make sure to skip this upper key. This is referred to as the fork key. That's not included in this fingering. So skip that, and then just the 3 main keys like that. Push them in, and you'll get that low G, which sounds like this. Now, you can play along. I'm going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. And we can play together, and you can listen in to make sure that you're playing that right note. So here we go. So moving on to the middle G on your alto saxophone. Now, notice that I'm keeping the same fingering here. So the same 3 keys here on the front of the saxophone. The only difference when you want to play the middle G is that you also add the octave key here on the back. So that's the thumb should be placed on the thumb plate, and then you just roll over the thumb in order to also push down on this octave key here in the back. And that will give you the middle G. And that sounds like this. Okay, so now we can do that note as well together. So grab your saxophone, get the fingering for G in the 2nd octave down. That's the 1, 2, 3 and the octave key, and we do this together. Here we go. Okay, so now you know the basic fingerings for G. And as an extra inspiration, I just want to throw in something a little bit extra here. Now, the altissimo register, that's probably something you want to learn a little bit later, because you need to develop control and learn more about how to play the saxophone first. But this type of effect, playing in the upper high altissimo register, this is quite common to use in pop music and some rock music as well. So why not? I'm going to show you how you can do this type of fingering as well. And this actually starts off with the low D fingering, and then just letting go of the middle fingers and using the octave key. So this is a basic fingering for that high G, which sounds like this. So moving from low G to middle G to high G would sound like this. And there you have it. Now you know everything you need to know about the G note on your alto saxophone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you got any questions, just post them below, and I'll try to get them as soon as possible. And now we got other videos here to get you going with playing other notes, and there are also links below this video to a fingering chart if you like that to download. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.